In a bustling office, a dedicated intern named Jimmy had just perfected the ultimate presentation. As everyone gathered for the big meeting, he felt a tickle in his nose. Just as he was about to present, a massive sneeze erupted. Achoo! The force sent his meticulously organized slides flying in the air like confetti. Instead of panic, the room erupted in laughter. Everyone loved the spontaneous chaos. In that moment, Jimmy became the fun guy, and the presentation turned into a comedic show. Who knew a sneeze could save the day? Jimmy walked out as a hero, and his sneeze went viral.